Code snippets are everywhere, in various different forms, and it can be difficult to keep them all organized. Imagine a place where all the contextual information is stored together, where you know what your snippets did for you in the past and what they can do for you in the future. Whether you are working alone or on a team across the globe, Pieces helps you build your own personal micro-repo of accessible and shareable code. One repository to store your own research notes, and to save answers to a Stack Overflow question. Pieces automatically adds contextual information when you save snippets, like related links back to where they came from, and generated tags that connect even more information. This makes it easier to get back to the source of useful code. Pieces gives you a dynamic storage repo that creates titles for you on snippets you create yourself or on snippets that you save from other locations. Drag a screenshot directly into Pieces and get code that was previously difficult to use. Whether you're an early bird or a night owl working alone in the dark, Pieces can be customized to fit your needs as your day changes. Use shortcuts like Command V and Command C to copy and paste code into your micro-repository and directly into your IDE. Add hundreds of snippets to your repo and find them easily and quickly using your arrow keys. Or, if you save a lot of snippets, use the AI-powered search to find them even faster. When you use Pieces as your personal micro-repo, every snippet can be found with just a few keystrokes. Add a language-based collection from our curated list to get up and running in no time. And this goes far beyond your desktop, with new extensions and plugins being added in the places you already work. In a world full of new technologies, emerging code languages, and ever-changing rules, Pieces is the personal micro-repo built by you.